We became friends when we were in our biology class together. We knew each other from church already, and then we just decided to sit together on the first day of class.
We first met as friends in college in our prerequisites like biology, chemistry, and then we were both going for our nursing degrees.
And we just became close through our study groups, and that's actually how I met my maid of honor, Alexis, as well.
She was actually kind of the older sister, and then they became close friends in nursing school, and then it just blossomed from there.
We just happened to be in the same classes together. We got into our nursing program together.
My first ever memory I had with Michelle, I keenly remember sitting right next to her in our first anatomy and physiology class and being interested in the girl sitting next to me.
She's just an amazing person. She has such a kind heart.
How she would actually always tease him and just kind of roast him here and there.
She's silly, she's goofy, she's funny, but she's also compassionate and tender and gentle.
And just stayed best friends, and then after we graduated, we started dating.
So right after the proposal, they called me through FaceTime, and she kind of just tried to like show her hand this like this, and I was like, what is that on her finger? They're just friends. But then they got married, and I'm like, oh, okay.
We love each other for who we are.
We have our differences, but we still choose to love each other.
My dad passed away, and how she took care of me just showed me that this is a woman that I can't ever lose. I, Enrico Michelle, take you, Michelle Bailon, to be my lawfully wedded wife, and I promise you, in the name of God and in the presence of our witnesses,
that I will be to you a loving and faithful wife, in prosperity and in adversity, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, till death do us part.
When there are decisions to make, when there are problems, consult God all the time.
I hope she will have a happy life with a harmonious relationship with her husband.
I'm happy my daughter, she find a good family, good husband. I hope it's not gonna change, or else she's gonna get in trouble. I'm just kidding.
My advice to Rico, just take care of my daughter.
Always active, always perform their duty.
God's give you who your partner in life will be. So I hope God will bless them always and forever.
I hope I'm gonna get grandchildren soon.
Start hanky-panky as soon as possible.
Yes.
Keep it strong, keep the love burning, support one another, and I'm here.
Being your friend after all these years, I know that deep down that you would end up be together just in God's divine timing, and I couldn't be more happier to be gathered here with all of you today and your loved ones to celebrate your marriage.